Welcome to Compraventa. Compraventa is a virtual trading platform and is a place where you can hone your skills in cryptocurrency trading, and it is a one-stop place where you can acquire substantial amount of knowledge about cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology upon which the cryptocurrency trading is based. Having said this, now let's move on to the live demo of the Compraventa. If you are new to this site, register yourself and sign in directly to be able to get the profound benefits of this site. So, now this is the main playing arena. Let's consider every section one at a time. So this section is a drop down consisting of coin pairs of different cryptocurrencies. Each coin pair consists of two parts, core currency and base currency. Basically, base currency represents how much of the core currency is needed for you to get 1 unit of the base currency. So for example, 1 Bitcoin has a value of 57,730 Ether currently. Red color signifies that the current value is lesser than the previous value, and the green color signifies that the current value is greater than the previous value. Now suppose we have interest in many coin pairs, so we can add desired coin pairs and remove it from the watch list accordingly. So now suppose I want to remove this BTC USDT from my watch list, I can remove it from here and this watch list would get updated. Now coming on to this chart, 24 change, it shows the change in the value of the base currency as compared to the value of the base currency 24 hours ago from the present point of time. 24-hour high, it shows what maximum value of the chosen base currency has achieved in the past 24 hours in terms of the core currency. Similarly, 24-hour low would show us the lowest value. 24 volume shows the total sum of the base coins traded in the past 24 hours. Now coming on to this chart. This graph consists of 3 charts. First is the candlestick chart. Firstly, we'll select the time interval for which we want to see the candlesticks and we'll get the chart accordingly. Here I have selected the 15 minutes interval. Candlesticks here are made for every 15 minutes interval, which would show us the change in the value of the base currency as compared to its previous candlestick. The histogram below is the visualization of the volume being traded for that particular interval to give better insights to the user to analyze the pattern. Hovering over any point in the graph would give us the value of the base currency for the time corresponding to the x-axis. The mustard yellow line chart is the exponential moving average and the blue line chart is the simple moving average, which basically helps in the prediction of the base currency in terms of that core currency. Yes, you guessed it right. We also have come up with a feature of price prediction for different coin pairs and for different intervals. Let's check this. Currently we are checking for BTC USDT coin pair and we just need to select the interval. I'll select the interval as 1 week and we'll get our prediction within seconds. So it has predicted that the price of coin pair will get decreased from the current value to the value predicted displayed in bolds. Okay, but we won't become a good trader only by analyzing until we get into trading ourselves, right? Don't worry, Compraventa has a solution to this problem too. Compraventa provides 50,000 USDT play currency to all of its users who will register themselves. Basically, we have 2 types of order that can be placed. First is the market order and the second is the stop loss order. Market order checks our wallet and checks the feasibility of the transaction and then makes a transaction and updates our wallet accordingly and stores the transaction. Whereas in stop loss order, we have to specify the core currency price at which we would like to buy or sell the base currency and specify the denomination of the base currency you want to trade. As soon as the price of that core currency hits the price specified by the user, the transaction would be made and the user would be notified about the transaction through email. So now let's perform this. Suppose we want to buy 0.1 BTC in terms of USDT. So this transaction is successful. Now suppose we are selecting this USDT as 58,000 and we want to buy 0.1 BTC. So as soon as the price of the USDT will be 58,000 in terms of that BTC, this transaction would be made and we will be able to get 0.1 BTC. And here is the new section which would update the user by latest news about cryptocurrency and related stuff, which keeps the user updated every time. So now let's check out the My Profile page. A user can update his password from here and can check out all the details. Account section. A user can reset his wallet if he wants to start afresh. Transaction section. Here user can see all of his closed and open transactions, which are nothing but the market order and the stop loss order. As soon as a stop loss order is made, then all the transaction in the open transaction would get shifted to the closed transaction. And now from this wallet section, a user can see his wallet and can make wise decisions about what, how and when to trade. Fixed balance deals with the open transaction which have not been made yet. We also have a rating mechanism which motivates a user to carry on his perseverance. This rating chart gets updated according to the user profit earned or losses. So this was the demo of Compraventa. Hope you like it. If you want to know more about each terms discussed in the video, you can just visit our Learn page. Keep trading. Thank you.